Meaning of Dickensian.
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 Dickensian. Dickensian refers to the literary style and social commentary of Charles Dickens, particularly his portrayal of harsh and oppressive conditions experienced by the impoverished working class in Victorian England. The term is often used to describe settings, characters, and situations that are reminiscent of his works, such as bleak urban landscapes, vividly drawn characters, and themes of social injustice. To be Dickensian is to evoke a sense of nostalgia for a bygone era of gritty realism and romantic idealism, where even the most downtrodden individuals could find hope and redemption.